Welcome back, guys. In this session I'm going to show you how we can create this particular star pattern. Okay, it is also called as half pyramid. Okay, so first we will put a box around that star pattern and write down how many number of rows we want and how many number of columns we want in each row. So I will represent all the rows as I. Okay, so for that I will write a I loop like that I should be starting from 1 here. Okay, and it should be less than or equal to 5. So inside every I loop, okay, I'm going to run a J loop which starts from 1 and this time ends at 9. So here J should start from 1, J equal to 1, and J should be less than or equal to 9 this time. Okay, and we will come up with a if condition for the J, that is a conditional statement for J where we want to see the stars or else we want to see the space. Okay, so now here next step what you are going to do is write down all the indexes of J where you want to see the star. Okay, so here when I is 1, we want to see star only at the 5th index, not at 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 9. So for that J condition I can write like this. Okay, J conditional statement we will write like this. So J, first of all, J should be either greater than or equal to 5. Okay, and one more condition is J should be less than or equal to 5. Okay, so this is what the condition should be when I is equal to 1. Okay, now when I equal to 2, I want to see J only at 4th, 5th and 6th index of J. So we will write like this 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so here J condition changes like this. J should be greater than or equal to 4, that is here, and then it should be less than this condition. Okay, here let me write logical and say J should be less than or equal to 6 like this. Okay, then when I equal to 3, okay, J condition, J indexes should be 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so let me write down 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so here this condition I'm going to write it one more time here, but this time J should be greater than or equal to 3 and it should be less than or equal to 7. Now when I equal to 4, we have to see the J, means we have to see the stars at J equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, not at 1 and 9. So here what we are going to say, J should be greater than or equal to 2 and logical and J should be less than or equal to 8. Okay, when I equal to 5, J should be all the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of J index. So here we are going to say J should be greater than or equal to 1 and logical and I'm going to use J should be less than or equal to 9. Okay, if these conditions of J satisfies, then only we should print stars, or else we have to see spaces on the other side. Okay, so let us standardize this J condition. Okay, so here I want to get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that is what I'm going to write here. Okay, so J should be greater than or equal to 6 minus I will satisfy that condition. Okay, that is a left side condition. Okay, 6 minus 1 will give me 5. Then when I equal to 2, 6 minus 2 will give me 4. Like this, it is going to satisfy this condition. Okay, then I'm going to use logical and here I will say J should be less than or equal to, this time I want to get 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So if I say here 4 plus I, okay, see 4 when I equal to 1, okay, 4 plus 1 is going to give me 5. Okay, when I equal to 2, 4 plus 2 is going to give me 6. So like this it continues till 9. Okay, so this is the final condition of J which is going to give me star, or else it is going to print space. So let me come up here and write down that J condition, if condition for J, that is J if it is greater than or equal to 6 minus I, 6 minus I. Okay, and here all these values will be in small letters. Okay, along with that logical and I'm going to use, and I will say J should be less than or equal to 4 plus I. Okay, if this condition satisfies, then only I'm going to go print star, or else we have to print space. And when the J loop ends, we are going to change the line like this. Okay, so now let's come up to this program, and here I will say first I loop, let me check whether it is from 1 to 5. Yes, then I'll come to J loop 1 to 9 like this. Then J, if J is greater than or equal to 6 minus I. Okay, along with that I'm going to use logical and I'll say if J is less than or equal to, that is 4 plus I. Okay, if these two conditions satisfies, okay, then we have to print star, or else we have to see that it is printing space. Okay, then after the J loop ends, we are going to change the line, and then the I loop also closes like this. So let me just save this program and let's run it once. Okay, we are going to see a perfect triangle like this. Okay, so this is how you are going to print the star pattern. Okay, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next videos.